A single train journey covering a distance greater than driving from Paris to Moscow, cutting through scorching deserts and bustling cities, all within a few hours. That's the ambition of the Gulf Railway. This isn't just any railway. It's a proposed 2,177-kilometer transnational network, a colossal iron spine designed to link all 6 Gulf Cooperation Council countries from the shores of Kuwait to the mountains of Oman. This megaproject is estimated to cost a staggering $250 billion, which is more than building 250 of the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. It's engineered for speed, with passenger trains designed to zoom at up to 220 kilometers per hour, and even a segment in the UAE aiming for a blistering 350 kilometers per hour, like a Formula One race car on rails. But how do you build such an iron behemoth across shifting sands, through mountains, and over vast bodies of water? And what hidden challenges lie beneath the desert's surface, waiting to test the limits of modern engineering? The idea for the Gulf Railway isn't new. This grand vision was first approved by the Gulf Cooperation Council member states way back in December 2009. The initial dream was to have this entire 2,177-kilometer network up and running by 2018. But dreams, especially engineering dreams of this magnitude, often face harsh realities. The project faced years of delays, becoming what some called an urban myth. In early 2025, Kuwait took a significant step, awarding an $8.1 million contract to the Turkish firm Proyapi to design its first 111-kilometer segment. This crucial stretch will connect the planned central station near Kuwait City to the Saudi border. At the same time, Oman and the UAE began building their own cross-border link, the Hafit Rail Project. This 238-kilometer line will connect Abu Dhabi with Sohar in Oman, a project that has already secured $1.5 billion in financing from a group of 17 banks. With this renewed energy and concrete progress, the entire network now targets a 2030 completion date. Segments are actively underway in several countries, including Saudi Arabia, which is a central player with its vast land bridge project and existing lines. This renewed push isn't just about laying tracks, it's about mastering the incredible engineering challenges that stand in the way of connecting an entire peninsula. So, what exactly does it take to build a railway across some of the most unforgiving terrain on Earth? At the heart of the Gulf Railway is its track, using a standard gauge of 1,435 millimeters. This width, about the size of a small car, is the most common worldwide, used by over half of all train lines. This standardization is crucial for seamless cross-border travel and trade, avoiding the need to unload and reload goods at borders due to different track sizes. The Gulf Railway is designed for remarkable speed and efficiency. Passenger trains will zip along at up to 220 kilometers per hour. Some segments, like the UAE's Etihad Rail, aim for 350 kilometers per hour between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. This speed means a trip from Abu Dhabi to Dubai could take as little as 30 minutes. Each passenger train can carry up to 400 people, roughly the capacity of 8 large city buses. For cargo, freight trains will move at 80 to 120 kilometers per hour. The network is expected to move over 95 million tons of freight every year, like moving the weight of over 1.5 million fully loaded semi-trucks annually. This massive capacity is crucial for connecting major ports and industrial zones. To keep trains safe and on schedule, the railway will use European Train Control System, or ETCS Level 2. This advanced GPS and communication system sends instructions directly to the train's computer, allowing more trains to run closer together safely. Saudi Arabia and the UAE already use this system on their domestic lines, a big step towards seamless cross-border operation. Building a railway across vast deserts is a constant battle against nature. Sand is a major enemy, drifting dunes can bury tracks and damage equipment. Engineers use smart solutions, ditches and dikes alongside tracks to trap sand. A typical sand fence, about 1.5 meters tall, can block half the sand that hits it. These barriers create a protected zone, typically 20 to 40 meters away from the railway. Even track components are tough, with fully encapsulated, sealed, and water and dust-tight systems and heat-treated rails to resist sand and corrosion. Beyond sand, extreme temperatures over 50 degrees Celsius stress materials. High humidity near the coast accelerates corrosion to metal components due to dissolved salt. Engineers also deal with underground voids, hidden empty spaces that could cause ground collapse if not reinforced. Building through mountainous areas in Oman adds complexity, requiring tunnels and bridges. A major challenge remains, making sure all 6 countries' segments work together seamlessly. While the track width is standard, power sources differ. Oman and Qatar plan for electric lines, while others lean towards diesel trains. This means trains might need to change locomotives at borders, causing delays and reducing efficiency, like switching cars every time you cross a state line due to different fuel types. This lack of full operational alignment is a critical hurdle to a truly integrated regional system. But the Gulf Railway is more than just steel and concrete. It's a project with a colossal price tag, facing ongoing challenges and promising a future that could redefine the entire region. But what exactly are the financial stakes? And can this ambitious vision truly overcome all its hurdles to reach the finish line? The estimated price tag for the entire 2,177-kilometer Gulf Railway network is around $250 billion. This makes it one of the largest contemporary cross-border rail networks ever conceived. The Gulf Railway doesn't have one unified GCC fund to underwrite its massive cost. Instead, each of the 6 member states is responsible for building and paying for its own portion. But why is this project so vital? The benefits extend far beyond just faster travel. The railway is a strategic enabler for deeper economic integration, aiming to transform regional logistics and reduce highway congestion. It's expected to significantly boost intra-GCC trade, which is currently much lower than in other economic blocs. This megaproject is projected to create over 80,000 direct and indirect jobs. For passengers, it opens up incredible tourism opportunities, linking iconic cities like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Muscat, Doha, Riyadh, and Jeddah, creating a land bridge from the Indian Ocean to the Red Sea. The planned GCC Grand Tours visa, expected in 2025, will make cross-border travel even easier for tourists. The Gulf Railway is also a key part of the region's ambition to diversify away from oil revenue and move towards a more sustainable future. Rail transport offers a greener alternative to trucks, reducing the region's environmental footprint. Etihad Rail estimates its network can reduce road emissions by 21% annually by 2050, taking up to 300 trucks off the roads for every train journey and removing 8.2 million tons of carbon dioxide per year. This is a massive step towards a cleaner environment and reduced highway congestion. The Gulf Railway is not just a dream anymore, it's a monumental engineering undertaking, weaving a 2,177-kilometer tapestry of steel across the Arabian Peninsula. It promises to shrink distances, boost economies, and connect cultures like never before. As the desert sands continue to shift, so too does the future of the Gulf, propelled forward by the powerful engines of this historic railway. Will this iron backbone truly unite the region and reshape its destiny? Only time and the trains will tell. If you were as amazed by this incredible project as we are, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world's biggest builds, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure.